Good morning guys, how you guys doing? I'm doing great, thanks for asking. My voice is still a bit hoarse because of my throat thing. Did I explain that yesterday? I don't think I did. I went to the doctor's because I thought I had a throat infection because of a weird white spot thing at the back of my throat. Turns out it's just like a mouth ulcer just at the back of my throat, but it really hurts. Makes my voice sound weird. Anyway, our suitcases came, which is good. I don't know what time they came at actually, because we had to stay up till like 1, although I just dipped and left Mum upstairs. But today we're going to the beach down near where our cousins live, like literally right next to their house, which is on the other side of the area we're at, which isn't too far, it's not a big area. And yeah, I'm just glad the suitcases are here and we got everything, and now we're going to the beach for the first time. Apparently the water's really cold, so I went in the sea yesterday when I went on my walk. That's good, isn't it? Rate that out of 10.
Out of 1.
Don't forget sunnies.
Don't forget sunnies. I was attempting to do the Australian accent. There's a rabbit. Well, I'm no way gonna do that. Oh my god.
Oh, yes. Look at that.
It's Tarzan. How are you gonna get back down?
Bloody perfect.
Okay, can I try?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got no core muscle, no arm muscle.
Well, I've got both.
Oh, I don't really know. Can you, someone, Mum, lift me up?
No, you have to get yourself up.
I won't be able to. Like,
well, then you've already failed. Failed at the first hurdle.
I literally, no way will I be able to. Oh, I can't. No, I'm just going to like hold my back. I'm just going to go.
What the hell?
Well, I'm trying to get my legs up there. Right, okay, I'll support you. Go.
I don't think you're doing.
What are you doing? She said hold her back.
Well, what do you want to do?
You're being really illogical right now. I'm trying to get my feet up there.
Swing, swing. Ready, go.
Oh no. Zoe, try and pull yourself up. You must have some muscle. How much do you weigh? 9? So I'm a stone more than. Oh Christ. Hello. So we've just come back from the beach. We didn't stay here for long because you get burnt to shit. Apparently there's like not much ozone layer here. So basically the sun rays are just not filtered at all.
It's hanging out of there.
That's popular there. No one's in.
They're all little joeys. They're all like at the age. They're all suckling. I've never seen that before.
So we're here at a park, and we have found a lot of kangaroos. My camera's just died, so I'm using my iPhone. It looks alright. That's crazy. We've just seen a joey in one of the pouches as well.
You get over here in about. It is. It's like.
Oh yeah.
Swinging free throw.
17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my Robbie. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, she's fine. Wondering will she be mine? Walk past, I press rewind. See that ass one more time. And I got this soda. Remy boys that know. Fast money don't show.
Hey guys, how you guys doing? I'm doing great, thanks for asking. And today we're going into Mandurah. Can you turn the volume down a bit? There.
It's like the theme tune.
Yeah, it's no, I'm not bothered.
It's not really a suntan holiday.
What? Of course it is.
Well, yeah, naturally though.
Yeah, I'm not going to be sunbathing, that's why I want to dry and down. It's too hot to sunbathe. Anyway, we're going to Mandurah, which is the local town. It said city centre, but is it a town?
Well, it's probably a city. Oh, I don't know actually.
I'm going to say it's a city, just because it says city centre. Otherwise they would say town centre, wouldn't it? So we're just at the beach right now. We have been here for about 20 minutes and now we're going back or somewhere else. It's just too hot. The Australian sun just like burns you immediately. It's not like anywhere else. I think I've already said that actually. Now we're in Mandurah Centre. Well, kind of centre. It's like got a nice little bay bit over there. Hello.
A bit bad.
It's weird because it's really hot here. Yeah, there's a Christmas tree over there. It's Christmas Eve today, I didn't say. Oh, still bright. Brightness with the sun.
Where am I looking out?
Well, we're just going to go for a little walk down where you went. So me and Mum are now going to see if we can find some kangaroos.
Oh, yeah, we certainly are.
Down by where we saw them the first time. Yeah, it's around this time of day when the sun starts going down. You're right. But they live in this bit, Mum.
Yeah, where?
Well, they live in the bush.
Okay.
First animal here, Mum.
What?
What? An Aussie animal. Look.
Oh, how's the animal?
What do you think of the bird?
It's a cutie little Aussie bird.
Alright, come on, let's go. Try and be a bit more quiet with your feet.
Trying, you're making wild.
Right, shh. I'm not. It's going to start to come out in a bit.
Okay. Are they shy, quiet?
Yeah, quite shy. They're crustacular,
What?
which means they're not nocturnal. They come out in twilight, which is just as the sun's about to rise and just as it's setting.
Yeah.
Did we find any kangaroos?
None.
Bit disappointing that. I think we went out a bit too early.
Okay.
Yeah. Right.
Good morning, Chum.
What day is it today?
It's Christmas Day, sweetie. Your head looks like Tintin.
He's a bit ill. Oh god. You got colour back in your face.
Who?
Dad.
What?
You have got colour back.
You got Margaret.
Got a man cave.
And it is underground.
Yeah. Can you explain when you do this vlog that I have been very ill?
Can you explain what's happening to you?
Yeah.
I've got an infection, upper respiratory infection, and I'm on antibiotics now.
Dad's been ill the whole trip, and he hasn't got better.
So hopefully I will be. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
This is Mummy.
Do you want to do it?
Yeah. You draw a lot of attention to yourself.
Hey guys, so today is Christmas morning, Christmas Day, and we're off to the beach for a morning swim, as you do on Christmas Day. Is it a hot day today?
It is currently 28 outside, perfect.
It's 28 degrees, it's 10.
9 o'clock in the morning.
9. Yesterday I took my GoPro out and didn't have a battery in it. Again. I've done that twice now.
My face pick. So guys, today has been Christmas Day. I haven't really filmed anything today apart from this morning,
Basically we've been with our family for the whole time here, and I just don't like filming around them really, because you just like kind of chatting, catching up. I am doing a skydive on Wednesday, so I need to call them up tomorrow to confirm the booking. But it's a skydive from Rockingham, which is about 20-minute drive from here, and it's over the beach, and I've paid for them to film it with the GoPros and stuff. You have to pay for that separately, you don't automatically do it, it's a bit annoying. But I'm doing that, so you should be able to see that. Slightly nervous for it, but it's just great. If I was to do a skydive, I want to do one, but I think that doing one in Australia would be amazing, because I don't think I'm going to come back here for like ages. So if I do one now, it'd be great, because I'm not really fussed about going on like a gap year for travelling or anything. I just want to kind of go uni then work after that, and then kind of travel through work if I can. Anyway, yeah, hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, like and comment. Make sure to share this with your friends because they'll enjoy it as well. Bye.